To breed our finches there is no hard and fast rule here, meaning that there is no standard policy or procedure on how to breed your finches, because I have tried many methods on breeding them and they are all effective. The first thing that I observe for the finches is that they don't like any other birds to be mixed together inside in the cage. Some of them died, maybe a dozen, and it's a failure, because these aggressive African lovebirds will just bully these very tiny birds that's really very lovely. And this cage must be free from predators. Even the ants, we consider them as predators because they are helpless. When the ants will crawl up and eat their babies, they're helpless. So cleanliness is one of the important factors that we have to observe. We have to spray the anti-ants spray, but you have to be careful about spraying because this will also affect our birds. Also, you have to provide them with unlimited food. You look at this. Although their consumption is just so little, we always see to it that the food is always available 24/7. So these simple tips could actually make a difference when you're gonna try to breed your finches.